Welcome, and thank you for your interest in learning how to raise healthy and happy children. I'm Dr. Benjamin Rothstein, and as a physician for almost 40 years, and with my wife, thank God, raising 8 children, I can tell you there is nothing more important than having healthy and happy children. By the time you finish this course, you will have the information you need to empower you to raise healthy and happy children and be the best parent that you can become. During this course, you're going to learn some surprising concepts and ideas about nutrition. You'll also learn about sugar. Is it really so bad? How about pesticides on your food? What to do about them? And what about all the hoopla about GMOs? Are GMOs really such a problem? Also, the question a lot of parents ask is which vitamins are really necessary for the children to have. Also, we'll talk about bedtime. Bedtime, the time parents seem to fear the most. Why don't the kids just go to bed and stay asleep? We'll learn about that and how you'll know how to help kids stay asleep and go to sleep. We'll also discuss the vaccine controversy, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Love. You know, to a child, feeling loved is as important as food, clothing, and shelter. You know, there's 5 love languages, and when you know your child's love language, you will have the tools you need to make sure your child feels loved. We'll also discuss activity, exercise. We all need exercise, but children need a lot of exercise. The problem is when they exercise and they play sports, injuries do occur. What do you do about the injuries? We'll talk about how to handle injuries and when you need to go to the emergency room. Finally, we'll discuss the different kinds of practitioners. There's all kinds of healing arts out there: homeopathy, acupuncture, nutrition, vitamins, herbs, osteopathy, craniosacral, chiropractic, etc., etc. There's all kinds of approaches to healing, and we'll discuss which kind applies best to your child and to your needs. So whether you're a parent wannabe, or a caregiver, this will be the most important lecture series you can attend. Keeping your child healthy. Oh, by the way, I recommend listening to each segment at least twice. It's so chock full of information, you want to make sure you get it all down. So, let's begin.